Top 10 cleanest country in the world. Number 10. Germany. Germany is the 10th cleanest country in the world, as well as the most technologically advanced country. It has an EPI score of 77.2, with a perfect score for sanitation, and a 4th place ranking for biodiversity. Germany is on the verge of a renewable energy revolution, with 10 green initiatives increasing its environmental friendliness. Number 9. Norway. Norway has an EPI of 77.7. It has a perfect score for sanitation and pure drinking water, as well as a score of 97.9 for air quality, which is the 5th highest in the world. By the end of 2023, Norway's electricity will be 98% renewable. The government intends to cut greenhouse gas emissions by 30% by 2023. Number 8. Sweden. Sweden has an EPI score of 78.7. Sweden, a Nordic country, received a perfect score for addressing the potentially fatal effects of lead exposure. The country is also one of the most environmentally friendly in the world, with low carbon dioxide emissions and a focus on renewable energy. Sweden is well known for increasing its greenery and preserving thousands of acres of forest, as well as for being a recycling expert. Number 7. Finland. Finland, the 7th cleanest country, is also the 2nd Nordic country on the list. Renewable energy sources account for approximately 35% of Finland's energy consumption. Finland is ranked as the 1st in environmental health, with a score of 99.35. In addition to ranking high in water and sanitation, air quality, and heavy metals exposure, the country prioritizes forest and wildlife conservation. Number 6. Austria. Austria is the world's 6th cleanest country. Austria ranked 3rd overall in agriculture, with strict pesticide and fertilizer regulations, and 5th in ecosystem vitality. Austria is known for having some of Europe's strictest air pollution, chemical, and waste management standards. The dense forests and meadows cover roughly 2/3 of Austria. Number 5. France. France is the 5th cleanest country in the world, with an EPI score of 83.95. Despite its industrialization, France gets nearly 80% of its energy from nuclear power, significantly reducing carbon emissions, and receiving 96.82 for air pollution. France's environmental initiatives include installing hydro turbines along its rivers and prohibiting supermarkets from discarding unused good food. Number 4. United Kingdom. With an EPI of 81.3, the United Kingdom is the 4th cleanest country in the world. Considering the country's population of 66.5 million, this score is impressive. The United Kingdom has perfect scores in drinking water and sanitation. The United Kingdom also ranks highly in terms of air quality, biodiversity, and habitat. Number 3. Switzerland. With an overall EPI score of 81.5, Switzerland is the 3rd cleanest country in the world. Switzerland received a perfect score for water sanitation of 99.99% and a perfect score for water resources of 99.67%. Switzerland is well known for its clean water, dense forests, and diverse wildlife. Number 2. Luxembourg. Despite its rapid population and GDP growth, Luxembourg has made significant progress in reducing negative environmental impacts. Luxembourg's overall score is 82.3, with notable high scores for biodiversity, habitat, and water resources of 96.54% and 99.76%, respectively. Luxembourg is a small country with a population of less than 600,000 people, allowing for the majority of the country to be rural. This resulted in an abundance of forests and nature parks. Number 1. Denmark. Denmark is the cleanest and most environmentally conscious country in the world. Denmark has some of the best policies in the world for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and preventing climate change. It has an EPI score of 82.5, highlighting its high air quality scores, as well as the biodiversity and habitat category. Denmark is also committed to environmental sustainability, with eco-friendly hotels, solar-powered boats, and organic food.
Thanks for watching Unknown Fact and Knowledge.